kitchen. May adlaw sa tanan. Magandang araw sa lahat. Today, I'll be making a pastry that has fig jam and peanut butter. I love this two combination of a little bit salty and sweet. I call this peanut butter and fruit jelly jam twirl. Or you can use any jam like fig jam tasted like guava jelly. Tasted very much guava jelly. You can use strawberry or anything you can get in the market or in the supermarket. Okay, let's start now. So here are the ingredients. First is 200 grams butter, 200 grams all-purpose flour, 100 grams peanut butter, 100 grams guava jelly or fig jam, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 100 ml cold milk, and 1 egg. Now let's place all the ingredients on the food processor. First is butter, all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, 1 egg, vanilla. Then close the processor and start pulsing for 3 minutes or until it looks like a cream cheese. Then add milk and continue to pulse. Now it's done, so let's scoop this and place into the Ziploc. Meanwhile, let's sprinkle some flour to the work surface. Now I'll take the dough from the fridge. Place the dough on the work surface area and start kneading. Knead to form a rectangle like 8 by 10. Okay, it's done. Now we're going to spread the jelly and the peanut butter. Then slice into strips using a knife or a pizza cutter like this. Then place into a lined cookie sheet. Twist each strips and and arrange horizontally. That's it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button to get an update of our new video. Bye, ciao. See you the next one.